Samsung definitely has a challenging road ahead if it wants to keep the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the race for the title of the best smartphone on the market. The competition is fierce, especially considering the impressive performances we've seen from the iPhone 15 Pro series and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's going to be an exciting battle. Good news! Based on all the information we have, it seems like Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is going to be another impressive device. And guess what? It might be arriving sooner than we think, packed with amazing specs and ready to take on the competition, just like Samsung always does. Get ready for some serious smartphone awesomeness. Alright, let's dig into the latest buzz and find out what the rumors and leaks, video and pictures have to spill about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra design and size. Before we jump right in, I want to take a quick moment to ask all of you amazing folks to kindly subscribe to Musty Gadget and Tech. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the awesome content Musty has in store for you. Thank you all for your support, and let's make this channel even more incredible together.